Hi, I'm Samuel, and I'm joined here with Bojan, our Global VP of Sales, and we're here at Gartner Data Analytics Summit 2023 here in London for the last 2 days, and it's been amazing to talk to customers, attendees, delegates, and so many exciting topics. And I'm just gonna pick your brain a little bit, ask a couple of questions to find out how you found it so far. And let's just really start with, you've been talking to attendees constantly, like talking about so many different things. What has been top of mind topic or conversation with most of these attendees?
It's been great 2 days, Samuel, and top of mind, believe it or not, is still the problem to get this good data product built, right? There's so much investment into the clouds, right? Into modernization data warehouses, into data integration piece. But people responsible for data management, CEOs, they're still struggling and say, there's something missing. Yeah. My business is asking for good data and I can deliver those. So this is the point.
Yeah, okay. Completely agree. Yeah, completely agree. Second question, out of the many conversations you've been having, could you give me 3 takeaways?
Number one is, they all started digital transformation journeys, years ago. And with that said, it's the shift to the cloud, on premise, just to meet the market speed, etc. And I have the feeling out of this conversation is that digital transformation journeys will never stop. It goes on and on and on because the world is not stopping. The landscapes of buying companies, selling companies was not stop, right? And this is the thing. You need to feed this digital transformation progress in order to make them successful. So this is one thing. The other thing is then, communicate the value, the ROI to the business and also, of course, to the leadership about buying technology and how this can help to, support this digital transformation, to build better products, to meet market demands, to win more customers, to reduce more costs, right? In the speed of the market, right? You can't have, if time would be not an issue, no problem, but time is key, right? And third, right, is something that, is on top of every mind right now, and this is AI. Right? AI is very exciting. It's not a toy anymore, right? People will think, well, AI, let's not trust, etc. Completely wrong, I would say, because, mega vendors like Microsoft already built this into their BI, for instance, solution as a co-pilot. This is GA, this is available. By the way, also CluedIn already comes in now with integration of OpenAI AI. So AI, the interest, the curiosity around how can we use AI is something that was stood out. Right?
100%. I think almost every single person that I spoke to was like, you guys leveraging AI. And it was comforting to be able to tell them that we are. One of my actual takeaways was the comfort that people felt about what you said in terms of describing the value back to the business. And this is something that a lot of the conversations I was having when I was explaining some of the challenges that our customers were having, they felt almost comforted by it. That, okay, it's not just us, other people are going through this. And a lot of people, I think that's why they're here at Gartner, right? They're trying to pick up that knowledge, that understanding of, okay, what are other companies going through and how can I communicate the value that they've been able to achieve back to the business, right? Back to the business. Just lastly, again, from talking to all these attendees, what is the one thing that you say CluedIn offers that offers the most business impact? Organizations.
Look, I think CluedIn cracked the impossible, I would say. And this is something, it sounds like magic, but it's actually fast time to value. Getting this one piece which is really missing, what I explained before, exactly covering this piece at the speed of change, getting a good data product out of many silos, no upfront modeling needed, adding Azure OpenAI, speeding things up and get, a good data product done to the business for ready for insight in weeks rather than months or years. This is what we can bring to the table.
100%. The shock, right, with the statement that we had on our booth, get insight ready by July. People was like, but how are you going to do that? How can you achieve that? And being able to tell them we've done it for less. We've done it in 2 weeks with some of our customers, right? And it's been so refreshing to be able to actually back that up with customer references. Of course, because MDM is thinking, okay, where do we start with that board, with that spreadsheet? What's the model going to look like? and creating that and actually being able to communicate, it doesn't have to be that way.
Right.
There's a modern approach that a lot of our customers are now benefiting from, right? So yeah, it's great to be here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the rest of today and tomorrow. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, all the other delegates to be able to talk to them and learn a little bit more.